guys, welcome back. So this is the first video officially in my new place. I'm making a charcuterie board tonight that is gluten and dairy free, so I just wanted to bring you guys along and show you how I like to make that. I haven't really made much charcuterie boards, especially since going to gluten dairy free, but I thought this would be fun, so let's get into it. So I have all of my ingredients laid out here. I have some red grapes, strawberries, some vegan pepper jack cheese. I have no idea how to pronounce this brand, so I'm not even gonna try, but I've never tried anything from that brand before, nor vegan pepper jack cheese, so we'll see how that is. I have my favorite pickles, and then I also have 2 different types of gluten-free crackers, as well as some salami and pepperoni. So first I gotta wash up the fruit, and then we can start assembling. So let's go. So I just went down to the bottom of the bag of the grapes so that way I could get some of the smaller bunches. So I don't want to have it be too big. Got those all washed up. So I decided I want to use this tray that I have. I'm gonna put some parchment paper on it, so I'm gonna try to cut that out now so it will fit in there. And I'm just kind of laying these out, kind of playing around. It's probably going to change, knowing me. But just getting it started. how did that end? This looked a lot better when I grabbed it out of the bag, I swear. I don't really know what's going on with it. Can I hide that a little bit? It's a little bit better. And one just fell off. Great, okay, that's cool. We're gonna have to like strategically hide some of those. So as I had mentioned, I got 2 different types of gluten-free crackers. This one is a rosemary and olive oil, and then this second one is just a sea salt. So a little more plain, a little bit more flavor. I got both of these at Aldi. I originally was going to get crackers at Meijer, but then I was at Aldi first because I like to get my fresh produce there, and they had these on sale. So I figured, why not? Or should I say, wine not? I need help. Oh, look at me, I'm so artsy. Okay, that does not look cute. Okay, we can work with stacking them. That kind of works. Okay. Move that strawberry a little bit to compensate for the crackers here. Okay, I'm okay with that. And then, for the sake of symmetry, I'm gonna put the other ones on the other side. Look at me. Obviously not going to use the broken crackers. Gonna put those back in the bag. So I think maybe with the salami, maybe I'll try rolling it. Maybe that'd be cute. I've seen those really cute boards where they have the meats look like roses. I am not confident that I can do that, so I'm gonna try rolling or maybe just strategically placing. Okay, let's give this a go. Okay, that's not too hard to roll it. And it's staying. See that? It did stay. That's cool. Okay. I can just make a couple of these and add it there. If you can't tell, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. This is definitely a trial and error type situation going on over here. It's fine. It is actually kind of fun to roll, I'm not gonna lie. Okay guys, I did want to check in and let you know that this vegan pepper jack is actually so good. I really enjoy it. I definitely think that the brand is worth the hype. I had heard really good things about it and it was really good just even by itself. The texture is actually really similar to normal cheese. It has a nice spice to it. It was really good on crackers, so. I can't even tell if I like this angle better because the viewfinder's not pointing towards me. Honestly, I had hoped that I was gonna be able to wear pajama bottoms while doing this, but obviously that's not happening. So screw it, I'm using the scissors. I did tear it along its little edge thing. I don't know why it's not cooperating. Yeah, it's like how I had originally thought I was gonna be able to wear jam bottoms for this, but apparently no. Okay, got these open. They smell pretty good. I wonder if I'll have better luck with this one. Because see, there is a little perforated edge here. Okay, I think this one's tearing a bit better. Okay, and then this one opens on the first try. I don't understand. That also smells really good. Oh boy, that is zoomed in. Huh.